Hello everyone, and today we will be finishing the Autcomplete component. And I did something offline, so I'll explain to you what I did offline. Basically, I installed this lib Prometheus, okay, and I imported these two hooks, the useClickOutside and the useHotKey. And basically, where am I using this? I'm using this in the container of our component. So in the container, I use the ref, okay? Ref is equals to container ref. Container ref is in this container ref is coming from useRef, okay? And this useRef is a hook from React. And right here is the hooks I imported. So useClickOutside and useHotKey. Basically what I'm doing right here is I'll explain right here. For example, I opened and I click outside, or I open and then I hit ask. So the options container is removed, okay, it's not showing anymore. It's basically what I did. But okay, if I search for an age I can find, if I search for Alice I can find, if I search for Antonio I can find, but if I click right here, the value is not set right here, so we need to do something right here. So let's get back to the code. And where is the option? The option is right here, and right here we will create a new event on click, and on click will be handle select, okay? It will be a function that I will create right here. So const handle select is equals to an arrow function, and right here let's receive the option, okay, the option, and handle select, and we will send the current, okay, current. Let's make a console log of this option, console log option. Let's go to Microsoft Edge, okay, let's see what we can get right here. And how you can see, update, I didn't click it, and in the line 34 that's here, and outputting this is the reason is because right here in the on click we are not passing this, okay, we are not passing a callback. So let's update, and right here that didn't happen. And if I select Thiago, for example, we have Thiago right here, and we need to, in somewhere we need to keep that, so I will keep that in a state. So const selected option, and set selected option is equals to use state, and here we will receive an object as the default value. So in the set selected option we will go here, okay, set selected option and option, okay, and right here when I select, the value is there but it's not being shown right here. I will make quickly a React.useEffect to show you the change in that output. I'm not using the DevTools because I don't have that React DevTools in the Microsoft Edge. So I will console log selected option. Okay, and let's go back to the application. The initial value is right here. Let's select the Thiago. Okay, the value is here, but we don't have the text right there. So what can we do? Okay, we need to make this input and controlled input. Okay, so the value of this input will be, I stated I will be creating right now. So input value, and right here we will create this set input value, and the input value is equals to use state, and the initial value will be this. Okay, so let's go to the handle change. In the handle change, we will set that value that will be equals to a.target.value. So right now, if I am with my controlled input and I'm typing, that's okay, But when I make the handle change, the value is being set. But if we need to when we select, we need to put the selected value in the field. So set input value will be option and will be name. Okay, if that's the case, if you want to use this in application, you could receive the props that you want to be the value in a props. Actually, I will do that to explain to you. So the input value will be the option. If I say this will be option value. Okay, option value, and we will receive this right here, and the prop types will be PTS. Prop types is string, is required. You could have a default if you wanted a default props. I deleted the curly braces. Okay, now in the app.js I needed to pass a prop called option value. It will be name. Okay, actually I can send like this, and I receive this string, the option value string, and in the handle select, the set input value will be this one. Okay, and let's go back to Microsoft Edge. Let's update this. Okay, right here, if I select Thiago is set right here, but we are setting the value, and if we take a look at our code, when we select the value, we set selected option. Okay, but how about if we choose Thiago and DDD? Okay, Thiago is still selected in the state, but is not the value. Okay, it's not the value that's being showed right here. So I need to do another thing. I need, when I make the handle change, when I add or remove something, I need to reset the selected options. So I need to make selected option will be equal to set selected option. Okay, so right here, if I, let's update this. I don't know why Microsoft Edge is not updating. The hotkey loading is not working. So right now, if I choose Thiago, okay, and I type something, the value will be resetted. And I can prove this to you using another React use effect. use effect. And what is the name? It's the selected option. Okay, and right here we will make a console log of this selected option. It's an empty object, and if select Thiago is right here. If we type something, the value is resetted. So now we can make some validation, for example, using Hook Farm to check if this field is empty, if it is an empty object. If it is, you just invalidate the validation will be not successful. So yeah, for this mini series of videos, I think we are done. I think that I achieved to share some knowledge to you, and if you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And remember, we have new videos every Tuesday and Wednesday. So bye bye, see you in the next video.